Yo, what's up, people? This is me, the sleep, the icon. You know what I'm saying? Come with another video for y'all. This is another sneaker review for the Barbershop dunks. You know what I mean? Something that I'm very familiar with, that I'm very proud to have in my hands and in my possession because I'm a barber and it's my passion. And I would like to share to y'all these shoes that I really like fucks with because I don't even think I want to show y'all these. You feel me? Because I know people in the community gonna try to get them. But here we go. You know what I mean? These are the Barbershop dunks. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? The Barbershop dunks. Yes, I got them for my barber heads. My barber heads, sneaker heads. Gotta cut with these, man. You ain't in the cut with these, my man. You feel me? Look at these joints. You got the clipper, the guard clipper on the front. You know what I'm saying? Gold piece. You got the gold piece right here. You feel me? Turquoise blue with the barber pole on the side of it. You know, white Nike check, a little silhouette. You know what I mean? Little gold silhouette. You feel me? Yeah, with the barber pole, the barbershop stripes. You know what I mean? The blood. You know, the blood, the loyalty. You feel me? Turquoise on the bottom. The shoe is gray. Oh my God, these are official. How can you slip up, not get these if you're not a barber? You ain't no barber, you gotta get these with your clippers. You gotta get these with your clippers, my brother. What are you saying? What the fuck are you saying, nigga? Get these shits, you feel me? It ain't for the low right now, you know what I'm saying? Too bad on StockX or any other website, not too low, it ain't too bad. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm really thinking about holding these, man. These are one of my favorite shoes. My favorite shoes that I collecting, that I'm keeping for a while. I might get another pair just to wear, but I'm keeping these for a while, you know what I'm saying, until I get another pair. And they got another type of colorway, the black and the turquoise with the bar pole, and of course the clippers on the front. You feel me? Oh my God, this is a genius collaboration. You got the white, the red tongue, of the red, but not red tongue, the red shoelace, blue shoelace tip, the red and the blue shoelace tip on both sides, you feel me? Yo, you're a win-win situation, man. Thank you for watching the video. Get at me. This is Sleep, and you know how we do.
Fresh. Whatever.
Be young.
Yeah. It's 100 bands in my domain. And you see a boss when I walk. For the cow, no spark. It ain't no water around, but a nigga a shark. How you alive with no heart? Just push a button to start. Nigga been capping, they not really built like we are. I set this shit up from the start. Rolling in young nigga roll, yeah. I bet this shit come from the heart. And I can say word to your preach. Make me feel a little closer to God. Like, Lord, forgive me, yeah. I know I'm empty, yeah.